Namaskar. Welcome back to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Today I have come with a very quick yoga routine which you can practice in daily life. So I have started with the stretching followed by the asanas which covers the hip, pelvic and your lower body. So I hope you all will enjoy this and make sure you practice these asanas with empty stomach. So let's get started. We'll begin with the stretching. Sit with the natural curve of your back, both the palms on your knees. Inhale, lift your chin up and feel the stretch on your throat, expanding your lungs. Feel the stretch on your back of your neck. Exhale, your chin to collarbone. Push your belly in towards your spine and feel the effect. Again, inhale, you will slowly raise your chin up. Very good for those who have cervical spondylitis or you find the strain in your neck muscles. Keep practicing daily. Your chin to collarbone, your belly, draw your belly in. Come back to the center. Then the second stretch is both the palms by your side. Inhale, exhale. You turn your head to your right side. Make a twist as if you're looking at the back of the wall. Feel the effect on the other side of your neck. Again, breathe in, come back to the center. Breathe out, slowly move to your left side and feel the stretch on the other side of your neck. So nice twist to your neck. Bring your head back in center. The third stretch for the neck is we place our right palm to our left ears. Inhale. And then we exhale. We bend our neck to the right side. Feel the stretch all over your left side of your neck. Also, you can move your hand away from your body. So feel the stretch, feel the prana flow in your neck area. Then bring your head back in center. You relax your right hand. Now place your left palm on your right ears. Inhale. Exhale, slowly bend to your left side. You have to practice same way. Relax your face. Keep breathing for 5 breaths. Also, this is very good for those who have lymph nodes in their neck region. Then slowly come back. Exhale, relax your hand. The last stretching, what we can do is placing your palms on your knees. Bring your chin to collarbone and start moving your neck very slowly with breath. If you have vertigo, if you have high blood pressure, if you have cervical spondylitis, then go cautiously and do it very slowly with full awareness. Okay? Now those who have healthy neck or those who want to increase their flexibility and the strength in their neck muscles, then they must do this every day for 5 to 10 times, clock and anti-clockwise. These neck stretching are very much important for those who have sedentary work lifestyle, those who are working on their laptops all the time. We all use the technology. So these exercise will definitely work on your neck. Now after the neck area, we'll move to the shoulders. So place your fingers, your thumb on top of your shoulder bone, bring your elbows together and start moving your arms. So as you can see, my elbows are always touching in front and then you have a very good circle, as if you are drawing a circle from the elbows. So we maintain this, you breathe in and breathe out. Also what is happening is expansion and contraction of lungs are happening. So we'll not move our neck during this rotation. And breathe in, breathe out. And then very slowly relax your hand. Now hold your forearm with your opposite palm. Raise your hand on top of your head. Inhale. Exhale. Move your arm behind your head. You will feel that stretch in your right side of your body. Feel it on your armpits. Feel it on your chest. Feel it on your shoulder blades. As you can see, my arm is nicely stretched. Also, I'm slightly tilting towards my left side. You can stay here for 5 breaths. Then you can bring it back to the center. Breathe in. Breathe out to your right side. This is also amazing stretch for those who have frozen shoulders, those who want to reduce their fat in their chest region. Also, it improves your circulation in your shoulder region. And then come back slowly in the center. You can release your hands, place your palms by your side. Now we'll place a palm in some distance. Either you can bend your elbow, rest your forearms, or you can keep your elbow straight as per your body. Also check your shoulders are not shrugging. Give a space between your ears and the shoulder. Raise your left hand up, inhale. Exhale, you will bend completely to the right side. Make sure you do not lift your knee or your hip. Rest your knee and your hip completely on the ground and feel the effect. You can have a good twist on your spine, armpit facing up. You will look up to the ceiling and feel the stretch. And you can choose your modification. You can modify as per your body and breathe for 5 breaths. While coming down, you will first rest your neck and then place your left palm on the ground. We'll have another twist which is very good to release the tension from your lumbar and your mid back. Also, it is very good to improve the flexibility and massages the abdominal organs like kidneys, liver, pancreas, and spend 5 breaths here. You can either rest your head on the ground or on the knee, or you can use a block. Slowly lift your head, and instead of coming up, we will move our palms in center and then we'll slide our palms in just to avoid the jerk on our spine. Then moving to the other side, same way, you place your palm in some distance. You can either rest your forearm or you can place your elbow straight. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly bend to your left side. Check your shoulders are not shrinking. Your shoulder and ear have a very good gap, and create the space. Enjoy the space. Enjoy your body and breathe. Feel overall body movement, the stretch on the sides of the body. Then very slowly rest your neck, rest your palm on the ground and make a twist. So while twisting also, your hips and your knees should be on the ground. You can either use a prop or you can rest your head completely down as per your body structure and your flexibility. But for these stretching, you need to consistently practice. Then breathe and lift your head and walk slowly. Come up in the center and we'll slide our palm in and sit up tall and straight. Slowly we'll move to Vajrasana position in Thunderbolt. You keep your knees either like this. In case if you have a knee pain, you can sit with the crossed leg. It's anything is fine, up to you. If you are comfortable sitting with Vajrasana, then sit in Vajrasana. If not, sit in cross position. Interlock your fingers, raise your arms behind. Opening your heart, it's very good to release the emotions, to release the negativity from your heart region. You have a very good space, so you will inhale and have a good thoracic breathing. As you exhale, you rest your belly, you rest your chest and head on the ground. Raise your arms above your head. As you can see, my hips are not lifting from my heels, so they are connected with each other. And this is very good for those who have stiff shoulders, they have frozen shoulders. Practice this daily. In case if you cannot lift your arms completely, you can adjust your hand position. Also, you can use a towel or dupatta in case you cannot keep your palm fingers together. Then slowly rest your hands down, drop your shoulders and relax in balasana. You can nod your head, free up your joint muscles. Whatever tension we have gained it, you can release in this asana. From here, we extend our both the arms and shoulder line, fingers wide and open. Establish your palm properly. Tuck your toes, coming in tabletop and slowly rise up in downward facing dog. As you can see, I'm forming an inverted V. My hips are pointing up. You can give a good massage and stretch to your legs. So for that, we can pedal here for 10 to 15 times to release the tension from our hamstring, from all over our legs. For the morning, you can start with this kind of stretch, and then you can move to the further variations in this posture. In case if you're not able to push your belly closer to your thigh, you can also bend your knee slightly and you can rest your belly and chest towards your thigh. So this is amazing stretch for those who are looking for their hamstring, for core stability. Also, you are engaging your hand, your shoulders are nice stabilized. Now breathe in. Raise your left leg up to the ceiling as per your capacity and keep flexing, keep pulsing there. When you pulse there, you will have a very good stretch like a rubber band. So you increase the elasticity of your thigh and then fold your knee, bring it closer to your chest and place your foot on the outer side of your palm as you can see on my screen. Then your knee and ankle should be in line. You will start pulsing your hips down and up, down and up. So inhale and exhale. We'll keep doing this for few rounds. This will have a very good effect. It's a good opening of our hips and our pelvic region. We'll move to the lizard pose. From here you can rest your forearms, and as you can see my foot is open. I'll place my left palm on my knee and I'll try to open my knee outward. So have a very good stretch in your side of your hip, side of your thigh, and you can rest here for few deep breaths. Noticing your body, bringing awareness into your body. You can also add on, if you are very flexible with your quads and your hamstring, you can hold your back foot with your opposite hand and keep pushing your heel closer to your hips. This will have a very good intense stretch on your quadricep, on your pelvic, all over your hip. Then after a few breaths, very slowly and cautiously, you will open your leg, tucking your toe, both the palms on the ground, rest your left foot which is open. Slowly we'll move our left leg behind, coming in downward facing. Again, you can stay here for a few deep breaths or pedal your leg, whatever you feel good. It increases blood flow. Moving to the right side, always practice with both the sides, so that will balance your body. And do not get amazed if your one side is more flexible than the other side. So do not get in shock. It's fine. It's natural process. Then come place your foot next to your palm. As you can see, my palms are inside and foot is outside. Start pulsing your hips up and down. It will give a very good stretch in your pelvic area. Those who are very much blocked with their hips, they must practice this daily to improve their pranic flow in the lower part of the body. Then place your right palm on your knee. Now for those who cannot rest their forearm, if it is that intense, you can place your palm and you can twist your body to the right side. As you can see, my knee and ankle are perpendicular to the floor, and you will have a good twist. You will have a good stretch in your lower part of your body. This could be an optional. If that is too intense for you, do not hold your leg or do not hold your foot. You can stick to the former posture. Okay, and then look at the back and stay for few deep breaths. Instead of holding your foot, you can also rest your palm on your knee and keep pushing your knee away from your body. So this asana, this stretch is so good and relaxing. It improves the blood circulation. It channelizes your lower chakras. And then move your leg behind very slowly, resting your knees, keeping some space between your thighs, resting your belly, chest and your head down. Relax in child's pose or balasana. So this is mandatory after every yoga postures or stretching you do it. Make sure You rest your body completely before you get back to your work. This child's pose, it relaxes your mind and normalizes your blood pressure. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do subscribe, like and comment below. If you like this video, do not forget to hit that bell icon for more updates. Namaste, stay blessed.